welcome back to Dr. No U2 Update and Protandim NRF2 Activator. So a couple studies here, Journal of Agricultural Food and Science, November 2011, showing is that NRF2 is a key regulator in terms of different types of antioxidants, and this, as we talked about in the previous video there, about anything that breathes in oxygen and has oxidative stress in it, plants have that, and they're a factor in terms of having the body be able to work well in terms of oxygen in our system here. And in this, they would show that, those plants that had activation of NRF2 be able to survive better. Then another journal article, Journal of Clinical Investigation, November 2011, in terms of showing that NRF2 activation is the regulator for oxidative stress, is where we're going. And then I came across this kind of interesting. This is actually a press release of a drug company called Rita Pharmaceuticals, is the leader in discovering and developing novel oral anti-inflammatory drugs that activate NRF2, the primary regulator of cell antioxidant and detoxification enzymes. So this is a big area. This is where a lot of drug companies are going, because the traditional type of approach they're having is so costly and so dangerous, they're now looking for other means in terms of making lots of money, but not trying to kill people. And so in this study in Journal of Clinical Investigation, November 2011, this is kind of interesting, uncovered a novel mechanism that cancer cells may use to escape detection by the body's immune system. So that's always been a problem, is that cancer cells, being within their own cells, are able to go for a long period of time without being looked at as a foe. Our immune system is designed for when bad things happen or bad things come into our body, it activates, the army comes in, they nuke it, they destroy the bad stuff. But since cancer cells are our own cells that go crazy or rogue, that's always been a problem. And so they're investigating different types of means to do that. And it states here, is oxidative stress produced by these alterating of the surface is a key factor in terms of either identifying or not identifying cancer. And so it says the authors chose to use one of Rita's, which we were talking about, drug companies, AIM class compounds to lower the oxidative stress and suppressing inflammation, to be able to have the body be able to see. So this is like stealth technologies. There's stealth technologies so that planes can't be seen by radar. Radar of our body is our immune system, and so having NRF2 activation is a key factor in terms of, once again, looking in terms of preventing and actually dealing with cancer that you might have. So kind of exciting type of research that's coming out right now, as I mentioned to you. Those are November 2011 studies. That's happening right now. So be healthy, be happy, take your Protandim NRF2 Activator. Thanks.